Tired of scooping cat litter? This might be the answer. The Greesum open-top automatic cat litter box promises a hands-free, odor-controlled experience, and after putting it to the test, it definitely delivers on some of those promises. First off, the open-top design is a smart move. It's less intimidating for cats, especially those who are a bit skittish about enclosed spaces. The expanded entrance makes it easy for cats of all sizes to get in and out. Greesum recommends it for cats over 2.6 pounds, and that seems like a good guideline for safety. The multi-sensor protection system is where this litter box really shines. It uses gravity sensors and infrared detectors to constantly monitor the area. If your cat gets too close or even thinks about entering, the cleaning cycle stops immediately. It's a great safety feature that gives you peace of mind. The app-enabled remote management is surprisingly useful. You can control cleaning cycles, set schedules, and even track usage stats. Plus, you get notifications when the 15L waste bin is full. The app connects via 2.4G Wi-Fi, which provided a stable connection during testing. The 15L airtight waste container is a game changer. It really does cut down on how often you need to empty it, and the airtight design keeps odors at bay. This is a huge plus if you have multiple cats or if you're planning a short trip. The Greesum litter box is compatible with bentonite, mineral, and mixed cat litters, so you don't have to switch to a specific type. The overall build quality is solid. It's made of plastic, but it feels durable and well-made. The gray color is neutral and should blend in with most home decor. At 21.7 LX21, 7WX20H, it's a fairly large unit, so make sure you have enough space for it. It weighs 17.2 pounds, so it's not something you'll want to move around frequently. The Greesum Smart Electric Litter Box is a solid investment for cat owners who are looking to simplify their lives. The open-top design, multi-sensor protection system, app-enabled remote management, and large, airtight waste container make it a convenient and effective solution for managing cat waste. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but the time and effort it saves, along with the added safety features, make it well worth the price.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.